Your expensive college degree may already be outdated, and the scary part, most students still don't know it. Listen carefully till the end, because what's replacing universities would completely change your future. Subscribe to Technology Upside and share this with someone still trapped inside the old education system. For years, we were told one thing: go to college, get a degree, get a job. But in 2026, AI is learning faster than universities can update their syllabus. Now, decentralized AI tutoring networks are replacing lecture halls. No giant campus, no outdated textbooks, no massive student debt. Just real-time learning, personal AI mentors, and global peer-to-peer knowledge. Imagine learning directly from AI systems connected to live industry data. Not theory from 2018. Actual skills companies need this week. That's why many self-taught learners are now outperforming degree holders. The lecture hall is slowly dying, and the universities know it. That's why the next war in education is not about marks, it's about survival. But universities are not just losing control to AI, they are now desperately trying to copy creators themselves. Because one person with a laptop can now build a career faster than some MBA graduates. And that's the terrifying the education system is. The next video reveals why universities are suddenly teaching the creator economy.